Singh interacts with youth trained in hospitality sector and perfumery under Hunar Se Rozgar scheme at Hindu College, Delhi at the Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Joint Security Force recovers huge case of arms and ammunition from Kaching and Thawal. Multiple incidents in East and West Garo Hills prompted Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma initiated relief measures and deployed NDRF and SDRF teams for rescue operations. Hello, this is Nishita Irengam and you're watching ISCOM news for this hour. Now let's see the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh had an interaction program with youths trained in the hospitality sector under Hunar Se Rozgar scheme and perfumery at Hindu College, Delhi at the Chief Minister's Secretariat today. The interaction program was jointly organized by the Tourism Department, Government of Manipur and Textiles, Commerce and Industries Department, Government of Manipur. Under the Hunar Se Rozgar scheme of the Ministry of Tourism, about 400 youths have completed or are undergoing training. Out of these, 169 have secured placement in key cities and 78 of them belong to the internally displaced persons IDP. While 30 youths including 15 IDPs from across the state participated in the 3-week perfumery training program held at Hindu College, Delhi. Youths from different districts who had undergone training and got job placements said their experience during the training program and appreciated the Chief Minister and Government of Manipur for the initiatives being taken up for them. Speaking to the youths, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh appreciated the Deputy Commissioner of different districts and other department officials for their dedicated service in providing training programs to the youths, stating that the interaction with youths of different communities as a happy and emotional moment after 1.5 years of unprecedented crisis. He expressed it as new hope towards the state development with focus on youths and forwarding together as one. He continued that people face different phases in life, but unitedly overcome with determination and willpower. People of Manipur had been facing hardship due to the unprecedented crisis, and by God's blessing, affected people had started returning to their original places, he added. He further stated that we should focus on how to bring peace and concentrate on healing the wounds, rather than blaming one another. Expressing satisfaction on the spirit of the youths to work for earning their livelihood, the Chief Minister announced to extend financial aid of rupees 50,000 each as seed money to the youths who had undergone training on perfumery. He continued that further assistance could be taken under One Family, One Livelihood scheme or startup based on their growth. And Viren informed that the government would provide one-time support of rupees 5,000 to assist in settling in their places of employment to train youths who got jobs in different cities. He further informed that a special flight will be arranged for those who got job placement at different cities, and he himself would come to see them over the airport to give blessings. Continuing his speech, the Chief Minister raised concern on lack of knowledge on general information related to welfare schemes and urged youths to gather information on general knowledge, which will make them feel confident. He mentioned various initiatives taken up by the government for the people staying in relief camps and expressed his desire to cover all districts in providing training to youths. Giving priorities to those staying in relief camps, he appealed to the public to refrain from violence and stressed the need to solve every problem through peaceful means. Extending his best wishes to the youths, he asked them not to go by emotions as they are the pillars of future generations. Ministers, MLAs, senior government officials, Deputy Commissioner, DCs, Officials of Tourism Department and trained youths also attended the interaction program. Deputy Commissioners and trained youths of Tamenglong, Churachandpur, Senapati, Ukhrul and Kangpokpi district also attended the interaction program through video conferencing. During the interaction, DCs also spoke on livelihood programs and other initiatives taken up in their concerned districts.
Baptanadaba, Wap Hong, the Budagi, Toning the Batogo, Bayama Topo, Pichibi from Gradasu Toli, the Beko Manipur, the Su, Yam Nungai Tabatogo, Amatoka, the Koshi, Yum Nungai Yum do the Gi, Toga, the Lip Gamson lady, Masi, Garuk Tibini, other way Koyam, some of the Honoraga, Magi Hana Gile from the Honda Lapinapa, Tamna, the Shorgi, blessing the Gihore, Masima Pumpan view, I then show the curve. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯗ ꯇꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯪꯀꯠꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯅꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯣꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯐꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯨ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ Supreme Court ki committee ki makhada perfume kari sabagi moi kuntra Senapati de su yaurame koi Kangpokpi de su yaure ado jingan ki basin Imphal de su yaure akhoi ki dala riba herbal kanu mayam si medicinal plant mayam si unused loina taraga leiba haita ado hujiki moi training du moi chadu riba kangbu khara se khangnabani karamba una karamba pambi se kari se na ge moi loi khangamina
Continuing efforts to maintain vigilance and tighten security in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hill and valley districts of Manipur, the police launched search operation and recovered a huge cache of arms and ammunition in Wavagai, Natekhong, Turenmai, Kakching district. The security forces recovered 3 carbine with magazine, 1 airgun rifle, 2 single barrel, 1 9mm pistol with magazine, 14 number 36 HE grenade with a detonator, 151mm mortar, 2 number 2 MK3 grenade, 1 suspected container weighing 4.755 kg explosive IED, 4 detonators, 6 tear smoke cell, 2 anti-riot rubber bullet, 1 stinger cartridge, 2 tube launching, 3 arming ring, 34 live ammunition, 25 explosive cartridges, 18 7.62 mm fired case, 10 fired explosive cartridges, 1 Baofeng sack, a shed with charger, 1 helmet, 2 BP cover, 2 BP plate, local made, and 1 pair of jungle boots. In a similar operation, a search operation conducted in the Chingkham Ching area of Thawbal district uncovered a large stockpile of weaponry. The items were seized during a coordinated operation reflecting the heightened state of alertness among security forces in the region. The security forces also ensured the safe movement of 349 vehicles carrying essential supplies along National Highway 2. With increased security presence in vulnerable areas, convoys were provided to sensitive stretches to safeguard the transit of goods and materials across district. A total of 109 Naka checkpoints were set up across both the hill and valley districts, enhancing surveillance and law enforcement. The Assam Rifles prevented a cross-border smuggling operation along the Indo-Myanmar border, Moreh, Technopole district on October 5. In a press release from the PRO, IZAR South stated that during a routine patrol, troops observed suspicious activities involving 2 to 3 individuals transferring items from vehicles to nearby store. Upon noticing the approaching Assam Rifles teams, the suspected fled the scene, abandoning their vehicles. Despite efforts to apprehend them in the crowded market area, the individuals escaped. A thorough inspection of the abandoned vehicle revealed 115 cases of foreign liquor concealed in sacks valued at approximately Rs 4 lakh in the international market. The seized liquor, along with the 2 vehicles, has been handed over to the customs official in Moree for further investigation. The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued a yellow alert for the northeast region, predicting heavy rainfall. According to the latest update, fairly widespread to light to moderate rainfall is likely to occur over the northeastern region during the week. Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Tripura may likely receive heavy rainfall. Isolated locations in Assam and Meghalaya are already experiencing rainfall, and this trend is expected to continue in the coming days. Northeastern states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya will also experience fairly widespread rainfall with heavy downpours expected over the next 5 to 6 days. States like Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura may also see isolated heavy rainfall. Meghalaya State Disaster Response Force (SDRF) is maintaining its presence in the Garo Hills district, aiming to facilitate the distribution of relief material after floods, flood and landslides ravaged the district. In session, rainfall have continued to last Meghalaya, particularly the Garo Hills district, since October 4th, following which the death toll climbed to 15. Meanwhile, the SDRF continued its response to West Garo Hills district flood-affected Dalu area by distributing relief materials across various parts of the CNRD block. The personnel also transported essential supplies to South Kuzikura, Rengramapara, Adangri and the Dalu CNRD block office. Aiming to promptly facilitate rescue and relief operations, the team utilized a makeshift raft and ropes to traverse the river in Barongpara and deliver materials to local residents. The Chief Minister Office on X said a tragic incident that resulted in the death of 2 people. The bodies of Amarin K. Marag and her daughter, Manes K. Marag, has been retrieved at Rongzeng Gongdop by SDRF team with the help of the community. Both died due to mudslide in the area. The death toll due to floods, flood and landslides in Meghalaya's South Garo Hills district climbed to 15. In Seshan, rainfall, which has wreaked havoc across the district with major damage reported in the Gaswapara region. At least 5 people were killed in an explosion at a koila mine in West Bengal's Birbhum district on Monday. The injured were immediately rushed to a nearby hospital for treatment, local reports claim. The incident occurred at Gangaramchak Mining Private Limited, Colliery, ZMPL, in the Logpur police station area of the district. The blast reportedly took place during coal crushing operation, leading to several injuries among the employees. The report suggested that the explosion occurred accidentally while blasting for coal extraction. In the chaos that followed, several ZMPL officials and workers on site fled. Local police arrived at the scene and began safely evacuating the remaining workers. Additionally, the BJP MLA is present at the location to oversee the rescue efforts. Relief and rescue operations are ongoing, and the police are in process of contacting the families of the deceased. Once again, the headlines. CM N. Viren Singh interacts with youth trained in the hospitality sector and perfumery under Hunar Se Rozgar scheme at Hindu College, Delhi at the Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Joint Security Force recovers huge case of arms and ammunition from Kakching and Thauba. Multiple incidents in East and West Garo Hills prompted Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma initiated relief measures and deployed NDRF and SDRF teams for rescue operations. Thank you for watching ISCOM News. Keep watching ISCOM News for more news and updates.